Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the alternatives for the 18 birdies. What are the things to be kind of like aware of? So the first one, the grind. So it's a free GPS data, basic start tracking, a scorecard links directly with the USGA for official handicap. Also the cons. So the free version for this app got limited advanced stats, interface not as clean as 18 birdies, and can be slow to update distances. But still, this is the kind of like the first one that you can check out. The second one is hole 19. So you have great free tier with a lot of features, GPS navigation, score tracking, performance insights, 42,000 courses plus worldwide. And the cons, premium features locked behind paywall, and some advanced stats require subscription. Now on the other hand, with the golf shot, you have great accurate GPS, 40,000 plus courses, 3D hole flyovers, shot tracking, score tracking, book, tee times via gold now, Apple Watch, Android Wear support, and the cons is that like the best GPS features requires premium. And then you can have also the golf logics, that is like long established app, solid GPS performance, also hole flyover, green slopes info, putt break reading, scorecard, and start tracking. So check this out. Maybe some of it you are going to actually like. Of course, like when you're gonna also download it, you can see it for yourself if you like it or no. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and this was like quick and effective video for you. Have a great day and goodbye.